Mohamed bin Zayed SAT, the region's most advanced satellite, is set to launch. Mohamed bin Zayed SAT, the region's most advanced satellite, is set to launch from Vandenberg Space Force Base, California, US, tonight at 10:49 p.m. wait time on board a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. MSAT, fully developed by Emirati engineers at the Mohammed bin Rashid Space Center (MBC), represents a milestone in the WA's space exploration journey, showcasing cutting-edge Earth observation capabilities. It was developed at the Mohammed bin Rashid Space Center and contributes to disaster management and improving life by producing high-resolution images around the clock. With a detail area of less than 1 square meter, its capabilities are 10 times greater than the center's current productivity, sharing captured data 3 times faster, enabling immediate benefits to enhance various sectors.